Hi team at the Neighborhood Plumber. My name is Parker and I work for YEG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in the Edmonton area, and after speaking with one of you guys on the phone the other day, I thought I would send you guys this quick little video going over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of my time and I don't want to waste yours either. So if by the end of this video, if you like what you see and if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then feel free to reach out to us and I'd be happy to get on a phone call with you. If not, then it's all good. You can take these tips that I'm giving you today and try and put them into action for your business as soon as possible. So the 3 things I'm going to be going over are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first thing is going to be content, and that will be anything you can see on your front page, including pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's hiding behind the pictures as well. So for example, if I go and save any of these images here on your front page, you can see that it's just saved as a bunch of random numbers and letters there. And I see you have a full gallery of photos, so you can actually go and save every single one of those individual photos as different keywords and phrases that people are constantly using to search for your types of services. So for example, this photo can be saved as Sherwood Park Plumbing or heating services or anything like that that would be relevant to your type of business. And the other side of content is going to be just the words itself on your homepage here. And I can see that your website looks pretty good already. However, we like to aim for at least 1,500 words of content on the homepage alone because that really helps with getting optimized by Google, and it helps with throwing in all of those keywords and phrases that I'm talking about. Because, like I said, those words and phrases are constantly being searched for on Google. So the more you have on your website, then the more easily it is for you to rank higher on Google so that you can be seen by more people. Now, the second thing I want to go over are citations. So you can see all I searched for was Sherwood Park Plumbing Services right here. And quickly before citations, you can look at all these ads here. These Google guaranteed ads, those businesses actually went through a verification process with Google to get them guaranteed with the check mark. And if you guys are ever interested in doing advertisements, I would definitely recommend going through that process as well because these guaranteed ads seem to get way better traffic than the traditional types of ads that you would see on Google down here. So now going into citations, that will take place more down in the map section of Google here. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the internet. So if you guys are wondering what a directory is or how can you get put into them, well, to simply put it, all a directory is a website out there allowing businesses to enter their business's name, information, and services essentially. So a few examples of those would be Yelp or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn, or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And all that is going to do for you guys is give you another avenue for people to reach you and find you online. So a good technique that we like to use is to go over and see what your competition would have for citations and directories, because there's a good chance that if it is working for them already, then those directories are also going to work for you guys. And you don't want to just go out and get what your competition would have. You want to go out and get even more citations and directories than them. That way you can try and outrank them on Google and be seen higher up on the map section here. Now, the third thing I want to go over are backlinks, and that'll take place more down here in the organic part of a Google search. And all a backlink is another website that is linking back to you guys saying that you offer plumbing and heating types of services in the area. And that's just going to give you guys a little more relevance and more keywords to be searched for on Google. So with this tool that we like to use called Ahrefs, I can actually see the referring domains and backlinks and the amount of traffic a website is bringing in monthly. So I already have you guys in here, and you can see you have 82 referring domains giving you 574 backlinks, and you're getting about 8 clicks of organic traffic every single month. So if I were to compare to one of your competitors here, you can see the difference where they have 199 referring domains giving them 1.5 thousand backlinks and 2.7 thousand clicks of organic traffic every single month through Google. So you can see how much traffic and business you could be getting if you just rank a little bit higher on Google, because when people are searching for your services, they're usually clicking on those websites more near the top of a Google search. So if I actually click on the referring domains here of your competitor, you can see all of the different websites and domains that are currently linking back to them right now, giving them the authority and relevance they would have in the marketplace and on Google. So, just like with citations, there's a good chance if a lot of these websites are working for them, they are also going to be working for you guys. And like I said, you don't want to just go out and get what they have for backlinks and domains. You want to go out and get a lot more than them. So that way you can outrank them on the organic part of Google as well. Because that is the main goal here, is to outrank all of your competitors on the map section and the organic section and just all parts of Google so that you can be bringing in a lot more traffic and business to you guys. Now, I really hope that this video has been informative for you. Our main goal is to add value and actually help out your business first. That is why I'm making this video, giving you a few tips to begin with here. So all of my information is right here. And if you guys would like to know more or discuss further on how our team can help grow your business online, then please reach out to me and I'd be happy to jump on the call with one of you guys. If not, then I wish you guys the best of luck in the future with your business and have a great one.